Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, a powerful technology that's transforming our lives. At the heart of this transformation are large language models, or LLMs. Traditionally, using these models requires an internet connection, as they often run on big company servers. But hey, LM Studio is here to change all that. It allows you to run these advanced AI models locally, right on your own computer. This capability offers a plethora of benefits, putting you in control of powerful AI. And guess what? LM Studio is designed to be incredibly easy to use with a clear and simple interface. You don't need to be a data scientist or a programming expert. Your software guides you through each step, and setting it up is a breeze. Before you know it, you'll be interacting with AI. This tool truly democratizes advanced AI, making it accessible to everyone. Many folks find it a great starting point. So, why consider running LLMs locally? Well, privacy is a big advantage. When models run on your PC, your data stays with you, not on some external server. Plus, you get offline access, meaning no internet is needed once set up. You can work anywhere, anytime. You also have more potential for customization, tweaking models to suit your specific needs. This guide is here to help you get started. We'll walk you through the installation process and discuss important system requirements to ensure your computer is ready. We'll explain how to import pre-trained models, the brains of the AI. Finally, you'll learn how to explore AI's vast power. Prepare to unlock new possibilities on your machine. All right, let's dive into getting started with LM Studio. The first step is to download the software. Always head to the official website to ensure you're getting the correct, safe software. Look for the download section on their page, where you'll see options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your computer, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux. The download is usually quite fast. Just double-check you're on lmstudio.ai to be safe. Installing LM Studio is a straightforward process. Once the download finishes, locate the file and open the downloaded installer. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen. It's much like installing any other software. You'll likely click Next a few times and accept any terms and conditions if prompted. In no time, LM Studio will be installed and ready for you to launch and use. But before you get too excited, check your computer's system requirements. They're extremely important for LLMs. Your personal computer needs enough power, especially random access memory, or RAM. For many common models, you need at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Some larger, more capable models may need even more. Having more RAM generally leads to a smoother experience, ensuring the models can load and run effectively. A good graphics card or GPU can also help a lot. LLMs perform calculations much faster with a powerful GPU. Models from NVIDIA are often well supported for this. However, don't worry if you lack a high-end GPU. LM Studio is clever and can use your computer's main processor, the CPU. This is excellent for wider accessibility. Performance might be a bit slower on CPU, but you can still explore many fascinating models. Now let's talk about powering up LM Studio. The platform itself needs AI models to function. Think of these models as pre-trained digital brains. LM Studio has a built-in feature to help you find them. You can browse or search for compatible models directly within the application. There are many different models available, varying in size and capability. Read their descriptions carefully to choose one that suits your needs. Some are better for chatting, others for coding. Importing these models into LM Studio is designed to be straightforward. The application has a user-friendly search function. You can type keywords or model names, and once you find a model you like, just click the download button. LM Studio will handle the download and save the model files onto your computer. The software helps manage these large files for you, keeping everything organized and easy to access later. To get the best results, you can optimize settings. LM Studio provides options to adjust how models run. You can change various model parameters, which can affect the AI's speed and the quality of its responses. You might find settings for hardware acceleration. It's wise to explore the settings menu thoroughly. Understanding these options can greatly enhance your experience, tailoring it to your specific hardware. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings. This is part of the learning process. See what configuration works best for your computer. Some settings might use more of your system's resources. For example, using more GPU layers can speed things up, but it also uses more GPU memory. Find a balance that gives you good performance. This experimentation makes your local AI journey much better, personalizing the tool for you. So what can you actually do with LLMs running locally? Many exciting and practical applications are possible. You can build your own custom chatbots. These AI assistants can answer your questions and engage in surprisingly natural conversations. This is one of the most popular uses. You can tailor the chatbot's personality or knowledge base, which is great for specific tasks or just for fun. You can also use local LLMs for creative writing. If you're a writer, this is a fantastic tool. Get help with developing stories or writing poetry. Generate fresh ideas when you feel stuck. Use the AI to draft articles or blog posts. LLMs can act as excellent writing partners, helping overcome writer's block and sparking your imagination in new ways. The possibilities here are truly vast for creators. LLMs are also powerful aids for learning and coding. You can ask them to explain complex topics, breaking down difficult concepts into simpler terms. If you're learning to code, they are invaluable. Use them to get help with programming problems, generate snippets of code in various languages, and understand programming logic much faster. This makes self-study more effective and engaging. It's like having a patient tutor available anytime. The potential for local LLMs is truly huge. Running these models on your own machine opens many doors. You're in complete control of your AI tools. You decide what data they see and how they operate. Start your exploration with LM Studio today. Discover the amazing things you can create and learn. Your personal AI journey begins right now. The power is at your fingertips on your own terms.